This is a 2008 Nissan Xterra 4x4 with 68,000 miles. Super sharp. Aftermarket wheels, canary yellow, 4x4, just in remarkable condition. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. It is that clean. It is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Running boards, tow package. Floor mats. Very clean. Tires are new. Gray cloth interior is like new. Still smells like new. 4x4, 68,000 miles. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. We have two sets of mats, all-weather mats and the original cloth mats. So this is a 2008 Nissan Xterra 4x4 with 68,000 miles in absolutely remarkable condition. Perfect student vehicle.